Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to get a turnaround render like this. So as you've seen this is a very easy step to do it. First of all, you have to press shift A, go to empty and select plane axis. It works best, it's on you what you want to select, but select this if you want a good result. Scale it so you can see it like this. Now if we want to parent the cube to the plane axis, so press the cube, then select the plane axis. Make sure that the plane axis is active. You can see here the empty is active. Now press Ctrl P, set parent to object. Now if you move the plane axis, this will move the cube because it is parent to that. Now go to frame 1 by where, come here to the rotation in this menu, press I to insert a keyframe. Now go to keyframe 101. I am going to 101 because the animation will be 100 frames, but we will go to 101 because we want this to seamlessly render. Now come here, set rotation 360 and press I. Now change this to 100 because we want 100 frame renders. Now go to first frame, press play, and here you got, but there is a problem. It is not in a constant rotation. It is fast it is slow at the beginning, then speed up and then slow down. To fix this, drag this up, click here and select graph editor, press T and select linear. This will make the rotation speed constant. Drag this down, change this to timeline back. Now if you press go to frame 1, if you press shift A, it is moving at a constant speed. So here you guys, if you enjoy the video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.